we'll guide you through how to create effects in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer and make sure you're in the Edit page, which you can find at the bottom of the screen. Once you're there, you need to import your media by going to the top left Media Pool panel and dragging the clips you want to use onto your timeline. Now, to add an effect, go to the Effects library on the top left side. If it's not visible, you might need to click on the Effects library button to open it. In the Effects library, you'll see different categories like Video Transitions, Audio Effects, and Open Effects. Let's say you want to add a video effect. Click on Open Effects and browse through the available effects. When you find one you like, simply drag it onto the clip on your timeline. You should see an icon indicating the effect has been added. To customize the effect, select the clip on your timeline and go to the Inspector panel on the top right. Here, you can adjust parameters like intensity, color, or any other settings specific to the effect you've chosen. Take your time to play around with these settings to get the look you want. Remember, you can always preview your changes in the viewer window to see how your effect looks in real time. If you want to add multiple effects, you can layer them by dragging more effects onto the same clip. DaVinci Resolve is incredibly powerful, offering a wide range of effects and customization options, so feel free to experiment to achieve the perfect result. Once you're happy with the effects, make sure to save your project by going to File, then Save Project. And that's how you create effects in DaVinci Resolve. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.